Hey Sparkle Besties, I'm back with a video, and this time we are making over this Naturalistas hair salon playset. You guys, this set is so stinking cute. It even comes with a doll. I just love it so much. So of course I love it so much that I had to rip it into pieces so that I can make it over exactly how I wanted to make it over. These chairs, they flip out and down, making it perfect so you can style the doll's hair. It came with lots and lots of accessories. I got this set from walmart.com. So I went ahead and demoed everything, just taking the pieces apart as I needed to, so that way I can get it prepped and ready for paint. I thought these cutouts would be perfect to put on the wall in the salon that came from the packaging, and I just think it's oh so cute. So I used double-sided tape to stick down the small pieces to a piece of foam board. That way it makes it easier for me to spray paint the pieces. And for this drawer here, I got some bamboo sticks, and I went ahead and used some B7000 to lay these sticks down because I wanted to create some texture on the shampoo bowls cabinets. Once I laid my sticks the way I wanted to, I did sand them down to create a smooth surface. The tops of these shampoo bowls popped right off, making it easy for paint. So all the areas that I did not want painted, I did cover those up with the green painter's tape. I find that the green painter's tape is a little easier to maneuver than the blue painter's tape. So this is how all the pieces look painted with the gold theme, and I just love it so much, you guys. I always use a pair of tweezers to help me out when I'm working on my project so I don't break too many of my nails. For the mirrors, I did paint these gold, and I added some bling and chain details to them, and it came out fabulous. For the doll named Dana that came with the salon, I decided to give her a makeover, giving her some individual lashes, a little nose ring, a little jewelry, and a little Louis bag. And y'all, she is forever fabulous. And this is the finished look of the salon, you guys. I am in love, and I just love it so much. The only thing is I wish it could be a little bit bigger. Since we are making this inside the Barbie house, it does make it a little bit difficult to put in all the pieces that I want to put in, but I just still think I gave it a lot of detail, and my goal is to just try to fit in as much stuff without making it look too cluttered. I think it looks really good. The dolls are giving Real Housewives vibes. I just love it so much. You all gotta let me know what you think of this video. Next week we're gonna be posting something different that we've been working on in the Barbie house. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. I hope you guys totally love this. I totally love you all, and I hope you have a fantabulous day, Sparkle Besties.